In this video, we review Etrade versus Robinhood. Have you used Etrade or Robinhood before? What was your experience? Leave your Etrade or Robinhood review in the comments section below. When comparing Etrade and Robinhood, two interesting facts highlight their distinct appeal and market positioning. First, Etrade is one of the oldest online brokerage firms, dating back to 1982, and has established itself as a trusted name in the investment world. Robinhood, on the other hand, launched in 2013, primarily targeting millennials with its mobile-first approach and popularizing commission-free trading, setting a trend that other brokers later adopted. Despite their shared focus on making investing accessible, their offerings, fees, and features cater to different types of investors. Etrade is often seen as a comprehensive platform designed for both novice and seasoned traders. It provides a full suite of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, bonds, and futures. Etrade's standout feature is its robust set of research tools and educational resources. Users can access market analysis, real-time data, and in-depth research from top firms like Morningstar. This makes it an excellent choice for investors seeking to make well-informed decisions based on detailed insights. Moreover, Etrade offers two distinct platforms: Etrade Web for everyday investors and Power Etrade for more active traders, offering advanced charting tools, technical analysis, and a variety of order types, such as conditional orders and option strategies. Robinhood, in contrast, is known for its simplicity and streamlined user experience. The platform focuses on commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, making it appealing to beginner investors who want to avoid fees. However, it lacks the extensive research and analytical tools that Etrade provides. While Robinhood has made significant strides in enhancing its charting capabilities with updates like the Robinhood Legend, it still falls short in areas such as options trading tools and tax optimization features. For instance, Robinhood defaults to a first-in, first-out FIFO system for selling shares, limiting tax management strategies for more sophisticated traders. A major advantage of Robinhood is its ease of use and no minimum account balance requirement. Users can start investing with as little as they want, and its mobile app interface is particularly user-friendly. The platform also introduced innovative features like fractional shares and recurring investments, catering to small investors looking to invest regularly without large capital outlays. However, Robinhood's simplified approach comes with drawbacks. It lacks access to more traditional assets like mutual funds and bonds, which Etrade offers. Additionally, Robinhood's focus on payment for order flow, where it earns revenue by directing trades to specific market makers, has sparked criticism about potential conflicts of interest. This practice has led some to question whether users always get the best execution prices for their trades. Etrade, while having higher fees for options contracts and futures trading compared to Robinhood, compensates for this with its robust customer support and diverse investment options. It also provides access to financial advisors, which is an attractive feature for investors seeking guidance. Etrade's educational resources are among the best in the industry, offering webinars, articles, and live events to help investors expand their knowledge. However, its fee structure, especially for account transfers and certain types of trades, can be a disadvantage for smaller investors who might prefer Robinhood's no-fee approach. Both platforms have their strengths and weaknesses, making the choice between Etrade and Robinhood highly dependent on individual needs and investment goals. Etrade is better suited for those who want a full-service brokerage with extensive research tools and a wide range of investment options. It caters to investors who might be willing to pay a bit more for access to a comprehensive suite of tools and resources. On the other hand, Robinhood appeals to new investors and those who prioritize a low-cost, straightforward platform for basic stock and crypto trading. It is ideal for users who prefer a simple interface and are not overly concerned with in-depth market analysis or access to traditional investment products like mutual funds. In summary, Etrade and Robinhood offer distinct experiences tailored to different segments of the market. Etrade excels with its in-depth research, diverse investment options, and tools for active traders. Robinhood stands out with its no-commission model, user-friendly app, and accessibility for beginners. Choosing between the two depends largely on whether the investor values advanced research and a broader investment selection, or prefers a simple, cost-effective trading platform.